Hi everyone, it's Pam Harrison again with Keller Williams Realty. I want to take you through my new listing today at 654 Grover Drive in Lyman, South Carolina. Come on, let's take a look inside. She's a beauty, priced at $174.9, surely not to stay on the market long. You enjoyed this tour of this beautiful home. That's right, it's move-in ready. The only thing it needs is a new owner. So call today, schedule your appointment to tour it, and see if this can be your new address. And I'll see you soon at my next new listing.